Okay, here's a little help video for the homework tonight. Let's make sure, I love using Desmos because your work has to be shown here cleanly on the whiteboard. You have your whiteboard here, and I'm going to put X on this side. Do you see where the X is? Let's be careful. The X is here. So that changes everything. That means you are going to get this X and this equal sign down here by itself. When you look at that, let's just take our time. Look at this X and equal sign. X and equal sign. What needs to leave? The 5 is here. That needs to get out of there. And this positive 30 needs to get out of here. But you need to know the correct order when doing that. When you're doing this, you don't, I always say this is like who I'm dancing with. X is dancing with 5. You don't mess with the dance partner. You kick out this 30 on the dance floor. You kick this 30 out, all right? How do you kick it out? You subtract 30. That cancels out, okay? You subtract 30 over to this side. Now, what's interesting here, let's do the math. 20 and negative 30 is going to be negative 10, okay? Negative 10 equals 5x. Then you're going to divide 5. Divide 5 to both sides. Hopefully you knew that real quick. Sorry, I went a little fast there. Divide 5, that goes away. Now you have x equals, this x is by itself now, 5 into negative 10. How many 5s fit into 10? 2. 2 5s fit into 10. And then you have a negative and a positive. So it's going to be a negative answer. All right? Hopefully you got there. Now, let's go to the next slide. We're not going to do them all, but I do want to go over looking through this here. All right, let's go ahead and I love setting this up this way. So you see, okay, hold on. X is on this side. I'm going to get X all by itself. But when I look at this, remember, combining like terms can only happen on the same side of the equal sign. You can't combine 3 and 19 because they're not on the same side. But you can combine 5x and 3x, okay? 5x and 3x becomes 8x plus 3 equals 19, okay? 8x plus 3 equals 19. Now from here, you're going to subtract 3, all right, to get 16, then divide the 8. You guys go ahead and do that on your slide. You got that. All I did was help you with the like term part. All right, on this one, again, this is another like term, all right? You want to get x by itself. You look over here, x is right here. Okay, I want to get x by itself. I got a lot of other stuff going on here. Is there anything I can combine? Well, this is a constant. This is a constant. Interesting. Constant, constant, variable. Can I combine the constants? Yep. 12 and negative 8. 12 and negative 8. If you combine 12 and negative 8, you get 4 because you're subtracting them, right? Negative 8, you're going to take it that way, equals 36. Now from here, you don't mess with the variable yet. You got to get rid of this negative or this positive 4. You kind of jumped ahead of there. How do you get rid of the positive 4? You're going to go ahead and make it a negative 4 to both sides, right? Let's go ahead and do that. I'll give you a little help here. And this is going to become 32. And you know how to finish this off. 4x equals 32. Go ahead and divide that 4 to both sides and finish it off. All right, same idea, like terms, but this is negative 5 and positive 3. Let me give you a separation bar so you can see this cleanly. Negative 5, positive 3. Combine these together to get a negative 2. How'd that happen? Because you take 3 and negative 5, you're going to subtract them. The negative 5 is bigger. It's going to stay negative. And then you're going to put plus 10. Bring it down. The 10 comes down. Equals 14. Now it's a simple two-step equation from here. Okay. All right. Now it's a little spicier. Now we got a little spicier stuff going on here. All right. Very cool. I have 12x plus 6 plus 4 equals 22, okay? Then, like terms. Those are like. All right, so I went a little fast there, but hopefully you understand that the like terms here, 6 and 4. But how did I get 12x plus 6? I went 4 times 3, 3 times 4, and then 3 times 2, okay? Take your time on these. This one, like terms. Ooh, double line. Why is there double? Because there's also another set of like terms here too. Go for it. You guys can do this. This is going to become 6x, and this is going to become 10. All right? Sweet. That's a cool one. I like that one. Equals 70. You just bring down the 70. All right. Very nice. 5 times 2x, 5 times 3. You can do that. This is a simple one. 5 times 2 is going to be 10x. 5 times 3 is 15. Then you're going to subtract 15 over to this side. All right. And the last one, you do this one on your own. You're going to distribute 6x plus 12. And then you're going to combine this x with this 6x is right here. This 5x and 6x is going to combine and make 11. Okay? Best of luck. Do the best you can.